Hey guys, Mark Lewis, Soundpost. Let's go take a look at the brand new original Soundpost grand opening. You got to see this. Over 10,000 square feet of the greatest equipment in the world. Let me show you the keyboard section. Over 40 keyboards. Used, new, the best stuff. Come in and actually feel it, play it, hear what it sounds like. Sound systems. Over 70 sound systems hooked up in stock, ready to go. Staging area. You can actually come in and hear what a sound system sounds like. Every brand out there. And the best price, guaranteed. Come on. See how we have systems hooked up? You can test it, hear what it sounds like. Wireless mics. Nobody has more. Over 50 wireless mics in stock. The famous Warrior Guitar Company showroom right here in Chattanooga. Handmade guitars shipped all around the world. You can actually see them right here. Feel them right here. Let's take some more tour. One of the things we pride ourselves on is service. We're the only place in Chattanooga with an actual service department. We service what we sell. Nowhere else. The best. Come on back. A whole nother showroom in this area. And again, everything hooked up, used, new. Come in and you can actually see the product, hear the product. We take trade-ins, we do layaways. Basically what a music store used to do. We're back. Again, sound systems everywhere, video systems, lighting. Look at the light truss up here. Over 100 lights in stock, LED, programmable. And again, sound systems throughout. You want some rack gear? We got it. Looks like NASA. Isn't that amazing? You will find it here. And let me show you the best part. This is our sound stage. You want some high end? We got it. JBL, Bose, Mackie, the finest in the world right here. Crown, digital consoles, the new Electro Voice right here, all the new arrays. So you saw a quick tour. Come see us. We're open 9 to 5 during the week, 9 to 3 on Saturday. Our website is originalsoundpost.com. My name's Mark. The phone number is 423-364-7577. Thanks for tuning in.